Welcome to Appointy walkthrough. In this video we're going to talk about the issue where services are added but are not shown on the customer interface. Now there are a couple of things that you need to make sure. The first thing is when you add the service should be public. The visibility should show public and not internal. You should have availability set, and the staff should also be public and not internal. So in this scenario, let me add a new service. So I've added a new service. Now the service itself, it does say that it is public. It does have a duration, time and everything, but if I go into the customer interface, you would not be able to see it. The reason being that I have not added the availability. The Appointy system does not automatically update the availability when you add a new service or a new staff member. So what you need to do is you need to go in and set the availability. Now in a scenario where you have the same availability as other services, what you can do as a shortcut is go into any one of the other service, click on this pen icon, and at the bottom you would see the name of the service. So you just click on the service, you would see the list of all the services. You can check all of the services, you can click on select all, deselect all, and click on done, and then update. So this way what would happen is that the availability would automatically be copied and added to the staff member. Now if I go to the customer interface and refresh the booking portal, you would see that the new service is available. Couple of other things that you do need to take care of or make sure is that the duration of the service does not exceed the open hours. So in this scenario I've opened up 5 hours with one staff member and the service duration is 60 minutes. If I go in and I change this to, let's say, 6 hours, I will be shown the service, but when the customers do select the service, they would not be shown any availability. So as you can see, it does say no availability till March. So you need to make sure that the open hours are exactly either the same as the availability set or less than that. So the service duration should not exceed the open hours. Now I've reduced the service duration to 3 hours, and if I refresh the page, it does show me available slots. Another thing that you need to make sure is that the staff has not blocked those days. So if I block certain days, on the calendar, the availability is still not going to show up. So you see most of the days are not showing up, the ones that I blocked. So I blocked only the 6th of December. Let's block the 13th, 20th and 27th as well. So block more. And then refresh the page. So you see throughout the month of December up till 24th of Jan, the customer cannot see any available dates. So again, you need to check if the staff member has blocked those days or not. Again, just to recap, a couple of things that you need to make sure is that the visibility for both the staff and the service is public. The duration is equal to or less than the open hours, and it's linked to a staff member. So when you check all of these things, the service should show up on the customer booking interface. But if you still do face any issues, please contact us on the chat and our support team will investigate and help you out with that. That's about it. Thank you and have a nice day.